Hello. I thought I would do a little recording of what my office space looks like for the work from home blog. So as you can see, I have a really cool space. I just redecorated a couple months ago, so I added that chandelier and this chair. And that chair, which you can't really see. There's Oliver, but it's really cool. It's like a navy blue. And then over here, go this way real slow, pan over here. And we have just some cool stuff, things to make me happy. There's my candles, my filing cabinet system. So yeah, it's a really pleasant space and I really enjoy spending time in here. So it's important to make a space that you enjoy spending time in, and maybe even have some doggies that you love. You want to spend time with them too. So I hope you enjoy this and I hope it's helpful. Thanks, bye.